It's a very dynamic industry. It's always evolving, it's always changing, it's always advancing, so it's a very exciting trade to be in. This program's been running over 20 years now. Everything is in place. We have an amazing selection of tools and product for the students to work on. We have amazing industry support, and the other faculty and the other staff here are all very, very passionate about what they do.
You get to be hands-on with the equipment day one. You get the experience in a classroom setting from guys who have been in the industry for 10, 20, 30 years even, and that knowledge is invaluable. You can't get that just anywhere. After graduation, I think I have a far better shot of getting into a shop because other shops know about this program and they don't want the guy off the street who thinks he knows how to work on a machine. They want the guy that's coming out of a program where they're like, okay, this guy can go. You can take this guy and be confident that he can do whatever job you need.
We often get phone calls and emails from dealerships asking us for students and how many we have graduating this year. And Centennial grads are very well prepared because of the amount of equipment we have, the amount of hands-on learning that they do. Because we incorporate a lot of the feedback that we get from our industry partners, we are able to prepare them not only for the hands-on skills and the theoretical skills, but we also try to incorporate some real-world skills as well, so that when they do leave Centennial College, they're ready to hit the ground running.